Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel of Pathshala. I'm Professor S.P. Singh. We have a set of 30 questions relating to CTET and UPTET examinations. I will be asking these questions one by one. You will have to reply these questions within 5 seconds. After that, I will tell the correct answer. Please note down your answers in a notebook and compare your answers with the correct answers so that you are able to evaluate your performance. So let us begin. The first question is the word pedagogy means. Options are to guide the child, to lead the child, to educate the child, to understand the child. Please answer. The correct answer is B, to lead the child. Next question. Pedagogy is the study of. Options are education, guiding students, learning process, teaching methods. Please answer. The correct answer is D, teaching methods. Next question. Which one of the following indicates child's physical growth? Negative, quantitative, qualitative, positive. Please answer. The correct answer is B, quantitative. Next question. The best method to study growth and development of the child is. Options are psychoanalytic method, comparative method, developmental method, statistical method. Please answer. Correct answer is C, developmental method. Next question. The use of technology to enhance learning process is called in education. IT, ICT, information technology, communication technology. Please answer. The correct answer is B, ICT. Next question. Individual learns from his own mistakes. This statement is based on which learning theory? Options are instrumental conditioning, insight, trial and error, classical conditioning. Please answer. The correct answer is C, trial and error. Next question. What should be the role of teacher in meeting the individual differences? Options are try to know the abilities, interest and aptitude of individuals, try to adjust the curriculum as per the needs of the individuals, both A and B, none of these. Please answer. Correct answer is C, both A and B. Next question. Teachers should present information to the students clearly and in interesting way and relate this information to the things students. Options are do not know, already know, willing to know, not willing to know. Please answer. Correct answer is B, already know. Next question. If a child has mental age of 5 years and chronological age of 4 years, then what will be the IQ of the child? Options are 125, 80, 120, 100. The correct answer is A, 125. Next question. Which of the following statements is not true? Options are growth is a biological process, development is a quantitative process, education is a goal-oriented process, and learning is a process of behavioral changes. Please answer. Correct answer is B, development is a quantitative process. Next question. Which of the following is not the tool for formative assessment in a scholastic domain? Options are conversation skill, multiple choice question, projects, oral questions. Please answer. Correct answer is C. Projects. Next question. According to John Dewey, school is a institution and education is a process. Options are social, philosophical, environmental, psychological. Please answer. Correct answer is A. Social. Next question. Special education is related to. Options are education for talented students, educational programs for disabled, training programs for teachers, training programs for retarded. Please answer. Correct answer is B. Educational programs for disabled. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true in case of multiple choice questions? Even an inexperienced teacher can prepare the questions easily. All choices appear to be plausible. Error-free and quick evaluation is possible by computer. Only one of the choices is correct answer. Please answer. Correct answer is A. Next question. According to John Dewey, schools must prepare students for. Options are research, future life, present life, entrepreneurship. Please answer. The correct answer is C. Present life. Next question. What type of evaluation identifies learning deficiencies and difficulties of the learners? Options are placement, summative, continuous, diagnostic. Please answer. Correct answer is D. Diagnostic. As people grow older, the of learning declines. Options are power, speed, quality, quantity. Please answer. Correct answer is B. Speed. Next question is both the chronological age and the mental age of a pupil is 7 years. He may be classified into which category? Options are below normal intelligence, superior intelligence, genius. Please answer. Correct answer is B. Normal intelligence. Which of the following should be used to increase correct responses and appropriate behavior? Options are ignorance, strictness, reward, praise. Please answer. The correct answer is D. Praise. Next question. Which is different from the other three with respect to the motor movement? Options are dot joining, dictation, handwriting, separation of fruits and vegetables. Please answer. Correct answer is D. Separation of fruits and vegetables. Next question. At the pre-primary stage, reading aloud while writing is given importance. This is based on which theory of learning? Options are trial and error, conditioning, insight, imitation. Please answer. Correct answer is B. Conditioning. Next question. According to Emile, the noblest work in education is to make a. Options are thinker, entrepreneur, good citizen, reasoning man. Please answer. Correct answer is C. Good citizen. Next question. Which one of the following is not taken into consideration while preparing the blueprint for a test? Options are topic, instructional objectives, form of questions, teaching time. Please answer. Correct answer is D. Teaching time. Next question. The field of study concerned with the construction of thought processes including remembering, problem solving and decision making is called. Options are pedagogy, education, epistemology, cognitive development. Please answer. Correct answer is D. Cognitive development. Next question. Psychology is A. Options are science of soul, science of mind, science of consciousness, science of behavior. Please answer. Correct answer is D. Science of behavior. Next question. The more often a particular ability is used, the it becomes. Options are weaker, stronger, less important, more important. Please answer. The correct answer is B. Stronger. Next question. Which is not a factor of motivation? Options are prize, incentive, praise, practice. Please answer. The correct answer is D. Practice. Next question. The longer a particular ability is unused, the it becomes. Options are weaker, stronger, less important, more important. Please answer. The correct answer is A. Weaker. Next question. What is the stage from 2 to 6 years called? Pre-childhood, infancy, later childhood, pre-adolescence. Please answer. Correct answer is A. Pre-childhood. Thanks for watching this video.